Today we're working on a 2015 Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TDI with a customer complaint, personal vehicle, of the battery warning light coming on during driving. I connected the scan tool and immediately found diagnostic trouble code P1B0100 generator electrical error. That tells us the alternator is failing to charge. After starting the engine and testing with a voltmeter, we can clearly see the alternator is not charging at all. Battery voltage stays low and does not increase with RPM. So now we'll move into diagnosing the circuit. Remove the driver side front seat to access the Touareg's fuse and battery compartment. Using a voltmeter, I checked every fuse for continuity, no blown fuses. At the 145 mark, I load tested the battery using a handheld tester. The battery tests good but shows a recharge recommended status due to low charging voltage. With the preliminary checks complete, I disconnected both battery terminals for safety before removing the alternator. Here we start removing the alternator from the 3.0 TDI engine. Space is tight on these Touareg engines, but with patience and the right tools it comes out cleanly. With the alternator on the bench, I begin disassembly. At 3:30, I carefully remove the rear alternator housing, exposing the slip ring, bearings, and regulator. Here you can see the worn-out slip ring compared to the brand new OEM Valeo slip ring. The old one shows heavy groove wear common on higher mileage Valero units. To get to the slip ring connections, I removed all the factory epoxy using a Dremel tool. This step requires patience to avoid damaging the windings. After desoldering the old terminals, the slip ring assembly is removed. Here's the new OEM Valeo slip ring we're installing. This is the exact correct replacement for this alternator model. When installing a slip ring, orientation is critical. I used a wood block and hammer to press it down evenly without damage. Important note, the side with the letters, numbers goes toward the inside winding, and the clean side faces outward. If installed backwards, the alternator will not charge, and the repair will fail. I checked continuity across the new solder joints with a voltmeter to verify a proper connection to each winding. Next, I replaced the front alternator bearing. I chilled the new bearing in the freezer beforehand so it slides in more smoothly during installation. Applied JB weld epoxy to secure the slip ring lead wires to prevent vibration damage over time. Then the new rear bearing is installed using a 3/8 17 mm socket as a driver tool, tapping it gently into position. Prep the new Valeo voltage regulator for installation. The rear alternator cover is reinstalled, followed by the new voltage regulator. Everything is torqued to spec and aligned correctly. Replaced the alternator clutch pulley and washer spacer. These wear out over time and can cause poor alternator performance. The new pulley is torqued to VW spec, 80 Nm, and the pulley cap is installed. Here's the fully rebuilt alternator with new bearings, slip ring, regulator, epoxy, and clutch pulley. A demonstration of how to test a Volkswagen alternator clutch pulley is shown. This one is new and functioning correctly. With everything ready, the alternator is reinstalled back into the Touareg. After installation, I checked generator performance again with the scan tool. No more codes and the generator output is now stable. With the engine running, the voltmeter shows the alternator is charging perfectly. Battery light is gone. Repair successful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Volkswagen repair content.